Hi everyone, this is Mark of TechPinas.com and I'm with Mr. Lonson Alejandrino, Cherry Mobile's AVP for product with the all-new Cherry Mobile Flare S6 Deluxe. So this one is a very handsome release, and what's great about it is that it's very affordable. So Sir Lonson, can you give me a brief overview about this product?
Yeah, so we launched the Flare S6 Plus that boasts an 18:9 screen, 5.7 inch. So this one is also having the 18:9 inch, 5.7. So it's actually much more affordable than the other one.
So it's great for consumers who want to enjoy this new feature, sir.
Yeah.
Pero siguro a bit on a tight budget, pero maganda pa rin yung features na makukuha nila.
Yes.
Okay, so you have the official retail unit here. Let's do a quick unboxing, sir.
Okay. Okay, so this is the official retail box of the Flare S6 Deluxe. So of course at the back you see the specs. And of course you'll see the Google Play Protect, so it's actually certified by Google. This is the actual unit. So you have all the specs in the screen. Then I'll just open up the others. So we have the usual accessories.
This is more or less standard, sir, with what you offer.
Yeah, micro USB cable. Of course, we have the charger. And then we have the standard 3.5 earphone jack with mic.
Okay, sir. So this one doesn't have the in-ear
no,
silicone buds.
Yes.
Okay. Some people prefer this din eh.
Yeah.
Ako kasi medyo...
Depende sa tenga.
Yeah, depende sa tenga.
Yeah. So that's basically what's inside the box.
Okay. So let's take a closer look at the... Let's talk about the design of the handset muna, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
So as you can see, the design, it's inspired by the S6 Plus. So this uses an 18:9 HD plus screen. The size of the screen is 5.7 inch. But being 18:9, it holds like 5.5. And then at the back you have the fingerprint scanner and the 13 megapixel camera.
The shell, sir, is this made of polycarbonate material, plastic?
Yeah, this is polycarbonate.
Yeah, but with the very nice sheen, parang the high gloss finish, which I think is very elegant then. Very sophisticated yung look niya. Plus the glass, sir, is the 2.5D curve ba to, sir?
Yeah, 2.5D curve glass.
So pag pinaghalo mo dun sa shiny back, ganda na.
Looks great.
Okay, so let's turn it on, sir. Alright, so Sir Lonson, let's take a look at the interface of the phone then and talk about the technical specifications.
So the phone again boasts the 5.7 HD plus 18:9 screen. So as you can see that it's 5.7, but I can still hold it like a 5.5 inch screen. So it really has a good handle to the phone.
That's one of the advantages of having a taller display with that aspect ratio talaga.
So also if you view videos, it actually looks better with this type of screen.
Okay.
And then of course the internal specs is it runs on a 6737 quad-core LTE processor, so you can use 4G. And then this has a 2 gig RAM and 16 gig internal storage. Of course, you can expand this with micro SD. And then the camera is actually a 13 megapixel IMX135 camera, so it's using a Sony sensor. And of course you see
it's backside illuminated, sir, and low light.
BSI.
Yeah, for low light.
So of course this is the fingerprint scanner, and the front camera is actually using an 8 megapixel OV sensor.
So can we try kaya, sir, the cameras just for them to see the quality?
Okay, so this is the rear camera, 13 megapixel. Of course, you have the face beauty features, the live photo mode or picture-in-picture. There, so you can actually
nice. So
use
you can use that in video, then, sir.
Yeah,
while in video. So you can show your face while showing your friends what's in front of you.
What you're looking at, what you're taking.
Nice.
And of course, the panoramic mode. The standard mode.
There you go.
And of course the HDR. And then
for the selfie camera.
So it's using an 8 megapixel selfie camera. You can also
fairly wide siya, no, sir?
Yes. You can use do the beauty mode as well, so you can adjust the levels, and also has the picture-in-picture mode.
Okay. Nice. So, yung picture-in-picture mode, sir, it's not actually a feature of Android talaga, no?
Yeah,
like
so it's like an added feature for this particular phone.
Yes. Okay. So, how about the battery, sir?
So this has a 3,000 milliampere battery.
Okay. How's the uptime ba nito, sir?
Oh, this is actually
Medyo
better.
malaki yun eh, kasi for the size
This
of the
one is just using an HD Plus screen and a quad-core processor, so the battery life is much better. Similar to if you've used the S6.
Yeah.
So it's much better than S6 actually.
So basically, siguro it can last you more than a day talaga,
Yeah, more than a
easily,
day,
no?
yes.
Day and night. You won't have to charge in the evening.
Yeah.
By the way, the front cam has flash ba to, sir? Tama?
Yeah, it has flash as well.
The front.
The front flash.
It has a front flash there.
Yeah.
Okay. So thank you for giving us that quick rundown of the technical specifications, sir. Alright, so Sir Lonson, what do you think is the kind of user that would appreciate a phone like the Flare S6 Deluxe?
Actually, the kind of user would be, it's actually like the term deluxe. It's still, pretty premium in terms of the design. But in terms of like the budget, it just costs 5,999.
5,999. But if you look at it in the flesh, ang ganda niya.
So those are who want to upgrade from, if they're using the previous S5 model and they wanted to have a better looking phone.
Yeah.
So I think they can upgrade to the S6 Deluxe.
What do you think, sir, would be the one strongest feature of this model? Ano sa tingin mo yun, sir?
I think aside from the design, because it's given, it's the only 18:9 screen currently at this price point. But I think the cameras are pretty good with the Sony sensor, the IMX135.
Yun talaga eh. For low light performance,
Yeah.
maganda talaga siya.
So this one strength I think this phone has.
Okay. So this one, sir, is now available in the market. Kailan ba ito lumabas?
This one is like 3rd week of December it was available. Yes, out in all Cherry Mobile concept stores nationwide.
Available in how many colors ba ito, sir?
Right now just this color.
Just this color.
Yes.
So, may accessories na ba na available at the
I think there's some accessories like gel case or screen protectors are available.
Okay, so team friends, for everyone who's looking for a great value for money phone that really looks great and also has stellar low light imaging capabilities. Also, ang ganda ng selfie cam, nakita kong linaw eh. Wide angle siya. So, check out this model. It's the Cherry Mobile Flare S6 Deluxe. And with that, thank you so much, Sir Lonson, for doing this interview with us and allowing the public or allowing your fans to get to know Cherry Mobile.
Thank you, Mark, also.
Alright, thumbs up.